Louise, Elisabeth, Felicite, Françoise, Armande, Manne, Marie, Jeanne, Joséphine de Croy de Havre, the Marquise and later Duchess of Tourzel, was born in Paris on June 11, 1749, where she also died on May 15, 1832. She served as Royal Governess to the children of Louis XVI and Marie Antoinette from 1789 to 1792. Decades after the French Revolution, de Tourzel published her memoirs, which present a unique insight into the last days in the life of the royal family. Louise Elisabeth was born on June 11, 1749, to Louis Ferdinand Joseph de Croy, Duc de Havre, and Marie-Louise Cunégonde de Montmorency, Luxembourg. At the age of 17, Louise Elisabeth married Louis-François du Bouchet de Sourches, the Marquis de Tourzel. Unfortunately, her husband was involved in a hunting accident and Madame de Tourzel was widowed at the age of 37. The Marquise never remarried and devoted herself to the education of her children. At the start of the French Revolution in August 1789, Madame de Tourzel replaced the Duchess de Polignac as Royal Governess when the latter was forced to flee to Switzerland. Madame de Tourzel was known at court as a staunch royalist and was perceived as being extremely strict by the royal children. As governess, she was put in charge of the royal children's court. In addition to being in charge of the Dauphin and his sister, she was also put in charge of the education of their adopted sister Ernestine de Lambriquet. Madame de Tourzel was present at many famous historical events during the French Revolution. She witnessed the storming of Versailles on October 5, 1789, and accompanied the royal court to the Palais des Tuileries in Paris. She was also the only outsider to accompany the royal family on their unsuccessful escape attempt to Varennes in the summer of 1791. Upon her return to Paris, she was arrested and spent the rest of the summer in prison before being able to return to duty. Together with the Princesse de Lamballe, de Tourzel was the only one to accompany the royal family to the Tour du Temple in August 1792 after the abolition of the monarchy. On August 19 that same year, de Tourzel and de Lamballe were moved to La Force prison. During the September massacre, de Tourzel was brought before a tribunal where she was reproached for her participation in the attempted escape to Varennes. De Tourzel defended herself by saying that she had merely done her duty as a servant. She was acquitted and then escorted by sympathizers among the prison staff to the residence of a friend, where she soon reunited with her daughter Pauline. De Tourzel was then advised to leave Paris, and mother and daughter moved incognito to Vincennes. At the end of the Reign of Terror in 1794, Madame de Tourzel and her daughter were allowed to settle in Abondant, near Dreux, but they were kept under police surveillance throughout Napoleon's reign. In 1795, de Tourzel re-established contact with Marie-Thérèse of France. After the Bourbon Restoration of 1814, Madame de Tourzel and her daughter were part of the party which welcomed Marie-Thérèse and Louis XVIII at Rambouillet upon their arrival in France. She received the hereditary title of Duchess in 1816. Madame de Tourzel lived out the remainder of her life in Abondant. She died in Paris on May 15, 1832, shortly after publishing her memoirs, which have become an invaluable document of the last days of the life of the royal family. Thank you for watching.